What on earth are you doing, man?
Yeah, I went the wrong way. I'm sorry.
You guys, you get on the wrong way for the interstate,
Yeah,
man.
I know. That's my fault.
Did you get your driver's license,
Yeah,
registration,
yeah.
insurance? How much you had to drink tonight?
I've not had nothing to drink tonight.
Is there a reason I smell alcohol?
There's no reason you should smell alcohol.
Well, I'm telling you I smell alcohol.
There's
That's why I'm asking.
I could do. There's no reason you should really smell any alcohol. Trust me.
A few moments later.
Now, sir, the reason I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle
Yeah.
is based on observations I'm making while speaking with you. When you say you haven't been drinking tonight, I simply just don't believe you.
The last drink I had was 5 hours ago.
Okay.
5 hours ago.
Okay. Okay. So I want to make sure it was safe for you to have been driving tonight.
Later.
2018, 2019, 2020.
All right, you can stop.
Yeah.
All right, man. Unfortunately, I do believe you're impaired, okay? Go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me. Just relax your arms.
Later that same evening.
Milagro, Reposado, Jack Daniels. Another Jack Daniels. Salsa Blanco. El Bandido Reposado. Heavy pour. At 1:13 a.m. today. Oh, operating under the influence. Fireball whiskeys.